Good morning, students. I, Vijaya, your teacher of English, welcome you all to Rishikul Online School. Students, today we are going to discuss model test paper for first term for the subject English Language and Literature, and this is Module 7 Literature section. So come on, let's continue the solution to the literature section. Answer the given questions in 30 to 40 words, and there you will get 3 marks for questions. Total marks will be 12. The first question is for Frost, Robert Frost, what do fire and ice stand for? In the poem Fire and Ice, Robert Frost represents violent passions of cruelty, lust, greed, fury, and conflict, which can quickly consume a relationship and cause the end of the world. Ice stand for cold emotions like coldness, indifference, intolerance, rigidity, which may suppress good human values and can bring world to its doom. Next question is who imagines herself to be Rapunzel? This is from the poem Amanda, and here Amanda, a young school going girl, imagined herself to be Rapunzel, a golden haired girl in a German fairy tale. In this way, you can see these two questions are from poem and these may be from the fictions. Next question is who was Dr. Harriet? And the answer is Dr. James Harriet was a surgeon and the narrator of the story A Triumph of Surgery. He ran a hospital where he treated Tricky, the pampered pet dog of Mrs. Pumphrey, for the listlessness and obesity. And the next question is why does Hari Singh flatter Anil? And the answer is Hari Singh tried to flatter Anil by telling him that he is quite strong and looks like a wrestler. Hari Singh does so because he knows that flattery is a beautiful weapon that helps to win confidence and build friendship. Now we will discuss long answer type question which is to be answered in 100 to 120 words, and this is of 10 marks. And the question is what idea do you get about the rich Indian culture from the chapter Glimpses of India? And the answer is a glimpses is a brief or a partial view of an object, a place or a person. The chapter Glimpses of India offers 3 passages that give a view of particular aspects of 3 places: Goa, Coorg, and Assam. India is a vast country with 29 states and 7 union territories. Each of these have rich traditions and cultural heritage. Still, there is an underlying bond of unity that keeps such diversity held together as a strong nation. The present chapter discusses only peculiar and unique things about 3 different Indian places. So the reader gets a glimpse of India and its vivid character traits. The 3 accounts focus on giving a glimpse of the vegetation, the people, the theories of origin and unique qualities of Goa, Coorg, and Assam. The title, therefore, stands apt and justified. And the next question is, what moral do you get from the story 100 Dresses? And you can see the story conveys the message that the young student should not indulge in insensitive actions like mocking and jeering at those who are different. Such a behavior is harmful and disheartening and totally unjustified. Realization comes quite late and usually after the damage has been done. Peggy ridicules Wanda and Maddie remains a mute spectator. However, they both are equally responsible for discrimination against a girl from a different race that could be avoided, and they did not focus over the harmful effects of it. Question number 11, long answer type question. And the first one is, excess of everything is bad. And the explanation is, this statement stands absolutely true with regard to Mrs. Pamphre's love for Tricky. She was a very rich woman who could afford every possible comfort for her pet. To show her love for Tricky, she always depended on things that her money could buy. In the process, she overlooked the need of a strict diet and ample exercise regime. The ill effects of her overindulgence made Tricky excessively fat and he began to look like a bloated sausage. He walked with great difficulty and lost all interest in things around him. Still, Mrs. Pamphre failed to realize the seriousness of the matter. If Dr. Harriet had not intervened at the right time, Mrs. Pamphre's love would have possibly led to Tricky's health. Therefore, excess love of Mrs. Pamphre for Tricky was certainly bad both for the dog and for herself. Thank you very much. We will meet soon in the next lecture. Thank you.